Good evening. Good evening to all. Can you hear me? Mahaganaadhipataye Namaha. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Right. Good evening. Chaitra Kaumudi, good evening. First of all, in advance, happy Diwali to everyone. Chaitra Shivani, Chaitra Kaumudi, good evening. Chaitra Shivani, Chaitra Kaumudi, both are from 10B, na? Can you hear me, children? Is my voice audible? Yes, yes. Thank you. So, yesterday we are discussing about arithmetic progression. So, that's why I want to continue that topic only. Thank you. Good evening. So, are you ready, everyone? Everyone, are you ready? I am going to discuss arithmetic progression only today. Tomorrow, applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry at 10 o'clock. Today, arithmetic progression, and tomorrow, applications of trigonometry. And day after tomorrow, once again, I want to reveal trigonometric identities on Monday. Monday also we have holiday, na? So Monday also, I want to take the class on what morning only? Trigonometric identities. So children, so there are three important results in arithmetic progression. If any question talks about three numbers or four numbers or five numbers which are in AP, okay na? We need to take in a different way those numbers. Okay. So if it is three numbers, you have to take like this: A minus B, A plus D. If the question talks about three numbers which are in AP, we need to consider those three numbers like this: A minus B, A plus D. If the question talks about four numbers, so we have to take like this: A minus 3D, A minus B, A plus D, A plus 3D. So if we assume numbers like this, four numbers like this, then the solving of problem is very much easy. Okay, now rather than taking A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus D, A plus 3D, if we consider four numbers like this, then solving the problem is very much easy. So if the question talks about five numbers, so A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. We need to consider 5 numbers like this. 5 numbers like this. ఇలా తీసుకుంటే క్వశ్చన్ కొంచెం సాల్వేషన్ ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సార్ నేను అదేంటి ఏ ప్లస్ డి ఏ ప్లస్ 2D ఏ ప్లస్ 3D ఏ ప్లస్ 4D అలా తీసుకోకూడదా అంటే యూ కెన్ టేక్. బట్ when compared to that one, if we consider the numbers like this, problem solving is easy. Okay na? So this is what I want to say. Now the first question today is divide 24 in 3 parts that they are in AP and their product is 440. We need to divide, there is a number 24, we need to divide those 3 numbers, we need to divide 24 into 3 parts, we need to divide them into 3 parts, okay, such that they form, those 3 numbers should form AP. Okay na? నేను ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను 3 numbers ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి, A minus D, A plus D. If we took like that, then simplification is easy. Okay na? Okay, now see, we are dividing 24 into 3 numbers. That means immediately మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే their sum is 24. Their sum is 24. We are dividing 24 into 3 numbers such that they form an AP. That means their sum is 24. And their product is given as 440. Their product is given as 440. Okay children. Now simplify this. Here D get cancelled. 3A is 24. A is 8. A is 8. Okay na? అంటే 8 వచ్చేసింది ఆల్రెడీ. A వచ్చేసింది. And we need to find out D. If we find out D, the problem is done. Now, substitute A value over here. A minus D, 8 minus D, 8 into 8 plus D is 440. So if you see these two, they are in the form of A minus D into A plus D. So A square minus D square is equal to 440 by 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40. Okay na? Now 64 minus D square is 55. Children, find out D square, D value. Find out D value. D value, Sanvi says plus or minus 3. Is that right? Is it 5? Neha Devi says only 3. Which is right? Plus 3, plus or minus 3 or 3? Which is right? Plus 3 or minus, plus or minus 3 or only 3? Okay. We need to take it as plus or minus 3, not 3. So D is plus or minus 3. Now, if we consider D as 3, then 8 minus 3, 8, 8 plus 3. That means 5, 8, 11. So, first case we get numbers as 5, 8, 11. 5, 8, 11. Okay, na? Now, if we consider D as negative 3, then 8 minus of minus 3, 8, 8 plus minus 3, a minus d plus a plus d. So here it becomes 11, 8, 5. In both cases, we got the same numbers. If d is 3, the three numbers are 5, 8, 11. If d is minus 3, the three numbers are also 5, 8, 5, 8, 11 only. Okay, na? So this is what you have to understand. Okay, na children? Now, next question. Next question. Yeah. If A7B23, A7B23, C are in AP, comma C are in AP, we need to find out ABC values. A7B23 and C, they are in AP. We need to find out ABC values. Okay, now. So if we see, first term is A, second term is 7, third term is B, fourth term is 23, fifth term is C. So we don't know first term, we don't know third term, we don't know fifth term. We know second term and fourth terms. Okay, na? So second term we know and fourth term also we know. By using these two, we need to find out A value and D value. Why? Arithmetic progression లో, if you know A and D, you can find out any value. If you know A and D, you can find out any value. Okay, na? So what we have to do here, A second term is A plus D and fourth term is A plus 3D. Now you can observe pair of linear equation in two variables. You can observe pair of linear equations in two variables. Am I audible now? Can you hear me? Children, am I audible? Okay. You can observe pair of linear equation in two variable over here. So we can apply either substitution method or elimination method to find out A and D. I am applying elimination method. A plus 3D is 23, A plus D is 7. I am eliminating A. 2D is 16, D 8, D 8. See, A plus D 7, D 8. Then A is negative 1. A is negative 1. Now you tell me, what are ABC, children? What are ABC? A is negative 1. What are ABC? A negative 1. Find out B and C. Find out B and C, children. What is B and what is C? B15. C31. 23 plus 8 na? 23 plus 8, 31. Correct. A negative 1, D 8 kabatti second term 7 is given. So third term will be 7 plus 8, 15. Fourth term is 23. Then fifth term is 23 plus 8, 31. Okay na? How many are absent today? So many are absent today.
Okay, charging. Charging.
Can you hear me now? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. So my question is, AM is given as 1 by m, AN is given as 1 by m. We need to find out sum of mnth terms, sum of mnth terms. To find out Am I audible now, children? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Okay. So, an is given 1 by n, an is given 1 by m, we need to find out Smn. Smn means mn by 2 into 2a plus mn minus 1 into d. Okay. So, in order to find out this, first we have to find out what is a, what is d. We need to find out a and d. So, from where we can find out a and d? From where we can find out a and d, children? From these two equations. So, what is am? Am is, what is am? A plus m minus 1 into d is 1 by n. A plus n minus 1 into d is 1 by m. So from this we need to find out a value and b value. Okay now. So what I will do is I will eliminate a over here. I will eliminate a. A get cancelled. So here m minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n. 1 by n minus 1 by n. Now simplify. Take d common. M minus 1 minus n plus 1 is equal to, here take mn LCM m minus n. Mn LCM m minus n. Now simplify here. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. D times of m minus n is equal to m minus n by mn. Then d is equal to m minus n by mn into 1 by m minus n. These two get cancelled. D is 1 by mn. D is 1 by mn. Now children, find out a plus m minus 1 into d, which is 1 by mn, is equal to 1 by n. I am substituting this d value in the first equation. I am substituting d value in the first equation. So d is 1 by mn. I did it. I inserted 1 by mn in the place of d. Find out a value, children. Find out a. Find out a. A also 1 by mn. Sure. This one you can write it as a plus m minus 1 by mn is 1 by n. Then a is equal to 1 by n minus m minus 1 by mn. LCM mn. So what you will get here? M minus m plus 1. If you simplify this, you will get that. So a is also 1 by mn. A is also 1 by mn. Mm get cancelled. 1 by mn. Now a value 1 by mn. D value is also 1 by mn. Insert over here. A value, D value, insert over there and simplify. Tell me what is Smn. Insert a value over here and d value over here. Simplify and tell me what is Smn. Fast. One plus mn by 2 by Sanvi.
Sanvi sent answer is 1 plus mn by 2. Sanvi's answer. Let me see that. Smn is equal to mn by 2 into 2a and 2 by mn plus mn minus 1 by d and 1 by mn kabatti adi kuda mn. Okay. Now mn by 2 into mn LCM 2 plus mn minus 1. Okay, this mn get cancelled. What is there? Mn 2 minus 1 1, mn plus 1 by 2. So Smn is equal to m plus n mn plus 1, sorry, mn plus 1 by 2, mn plus 1 by 2. Okay, children. Not mn plus 1 by 2. So many students are not able to give the answers for questions like this, which are involving variables. 19. Akanksha put a message in the group that already the session is started and sir is asking us to join immediately. So I saw 24, now it is 18. Okay, next question. Next question. Now note it down, children. The sum of first m terms of AP is 4m square minus m. If its nth term is 107, find the value of n and also find the 21st term. This is the question. Okay. What is the question? Sm is given 4m square minus m. Sm is given 4m square minus m, and an is given 107, and we need to find out n as well as a21. We need to find out n as well as a21. This is the question. Sum of m terms of AP. Sm is given 4m square minus m. An is given 107. What is n and what is 21? Okay, now this is the question. Yeah. ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాను మీకు. Sm is 4m square plus m, then S1 is 4 into 1 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, which is a1 only. S1 is a1 only. Sm is 4m square minus m. Then S1, అంటే inserting 1 in the place of m. Inserting 1 in the place of m, we'll get a1 only. S1 is a1. S1 and a1 both are same. S1 and a1 both are same. Now Find out S2. Find out S2. What is S2, children? Past. What is S2? What is S2? 14. Very good. S2 is 14. Put 2 in the place of M. So you get 14. But we know S2 is A1 plus A2, which is 14. We know A1 is 3. A1 plus A2 is 14. Can we find out A2? Can we find out A2? A1 is 3. A1 plus A2 is 14. Then what is A2, children? A2 is 11. Then what is D? A2 minus A1, which is 11 minus 3, 8. So you know A, you know D, you know A and you know D. So if we know A and D, we can find out any term in the given arithmetic progression. Okay. Now, see this AN ante A plus N minus 1 into D is 107. AN is given 107. AN. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D is 107. And we know A, we know D. Insert there and find out N. Insert A value, D value, find out N. Insert A value, D value, find out N. N 14. Is that right? Three plus N minus 1 into 8 is 107. N minus 1 into 8 is 104. N minus 1 is equal to 104 by 8. 8 ones are, 8 threes are. N is equal to 14. N minus 1 13, N 14. Now find out A21 then. Find out A21. What is A21? 163. A21 is 163. Good. Next question. A21, how can we find out? A plus 20D. D is 8, A 3, so 163. Okay. Next question. Find the number of terms of AP minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, so on 20. Minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, so on 21. Find the number of terms of this AP. Find out first. Find the number of terms of the given AP. Number of terms of the given AP. Fast. Find the number of terms of given AP. Minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, so on, 21. Number of terms. Number of terms is what we have to find out, children. Number of terms means what we have to find out. N. Okay, do it fast. Do it fast. Find out N. AN काल जिसका N है. AN काल. You need to find out N. So in order to find out N, first consider consider 21 as AN. Consider 21 as AN. AN is 21. So N 20. Now add 1 to each and every term. Add 1 to each and every term. Now add 1 to each and every term, right? Add 1 to each and every term. If you add 1 to this, it becomes negative 11, negative 8, negative 5, so on, 22. Add 1 to each and every term. What will you get? Negative 11, negative 8, negative 5, so on, 22. Now find sum of all the terms. Now find sum of all the terms, children. Find out sum of all the terms. Okay. Okay, do it again. No problem. Do it. 66. Ishan A means Ishan Abraham. You need to find out SN. There is no change in N row. N maradu. Endukani? We are not including any new terms. We are not including any new term. Just what we are doing? We are adding 1 to each and every term. So number of terms doesn't changes. Number of terms 12 only. Number of terms mara. So everyone is saying 66. Everyone is saying 66. Then fine. Now, listen to the question carefully what I am saying now. A man saved 33,000 rupees in 10 months. A man saved 33,000 rupees in 10 months. In each month after the first month, he saved 100 rupees more than he did in the previous month. How much did he save in the first month? How much he saved in the first month? This is the question. So what we have to find out, children? What is given, what we have to find out? What is given and what we have to find out? A man saved 33,000 rupees in 10 months. So each month except the first month, he saved 100 rupees more than the previous month. Then the question is how much he saved in the first month. Okay, na? Okay. So what is given, what we have to find out? What is given, what we have to find out? Sn is given. Good. Sn is given, D is given, what else is given? Sn given, D is given, N is also given. N how much sum? N how much? So he saved 33,000 rupees in 10 months. He saved 33 rupees in 10 months. That means N is 10. N is 10. So you know Sn, you know D, you know N. Find out A. Do it fast. Find out A, children. Dil mange mode. అరే కోక్ తాగుతాను రా, కోక్ తాగుతూ మీరు లెక్క కరెక్ట్ చేస్తారా రాంగ్ చేస్తారా చూస్తాను. హ్యాపీ దివాళీ. షుగర్ ఉన్నోడు డైట్ కోక్ తాగచ్చు ట్రై, కాబట్టి రోజు ఒకటి తీసుకొని రండి నా కోసం. మీరు ఎవరన్నా అది నా మీద ప్రేమ ఉన్నవాడు లేదా నేనంటే భయం ఉన్నవాడు, ప్రేమ ఉన్నవాడు భయం ఉన్నవాడు ఎవడో రోజుకు ఒక కోక్ తిండి రా ప్లీజ్ రా. డైట్ కోక్ ట్రై. Sanjog 10. You have the n 10. You have to say n is 10. N is 10. So I want A. How much he saved in the first month? How much he saved in first month? Allupati Shanvi, you are there in Vizag or you went somewhere? I am taking my coke. Charmi 3210. 3210 Charmi. Charmi నువ్వు నాకు చాక్లెట్లు ఇవ్వకపోయినా నేను కోక్ కొనుక్కుంటూ అవుతున్నాను. విజయనగరం. ఓకే, కప్పకాయలు కొనుక్కున్నావా మరి? విజయనగరంలో చీప్గా దొరుకుతాయిగా. క్రాకర్స్ ఆర్ చీప్ ఇన్ విజయనగరం. someone told you. Yeah, Madhumanjari ma'am told me this. No sir, okay. Cost only. So 3210 Charmi's answer, is that right? Sn is 33,000, N 10, D 100. So find out A. Akansha's answer 2850, which is right, right? Ishan, Paidana, Abraham. Today Chidireddy is not there. I am not getting answers from her. Chidireddy, Namrata, Neha Devi. So everyone is saying that 2850 only. Charmi changes his answer. Ashi Ditla. Where is Chidireddy Namrata? But you are not giving answers. Neha Devi, Yetukuri. Who is Radhika Devi Koneru? Yeah, I know Akila, you are Ditla. 2850. You did it or is taking? You are taking somewhere or giving the answers. Neha, how many you are expecting in the board exam, in pre-board exams? What is your expectation, Neha? Children, this time what we'll do is, whenever you answer the question, put your answer in the question paper. Put your answer in the question paper with a pencil. With a pencil. So after exam is over, I will discuss the question paper with you and I will say the answers. Accordingly, you have to give expectation marks in mathematics. Got it, everyone? What you have to do is, while you are solving the problems, after getting the answers, kindly put the answer or write the answer in the question paper. Okay, na? Recite to each and every question. So after exam is completed, we will discuss the question paper again. Then you need to tell me what is your expectation mark. Your expectation marks. Everyone. So this time, I'll observe that one. I'll come to each and every student and observe whether you wrote the answers or not on the question paper. And we'll discuss. Okay. Next question. Next question. Show that sum of all terms of AP whose first term is A, first term is A, second term is B, last term C. Last term C. Second term B, last term C. Okay now. First term A, second term B, and the last term is C. And we need to find out Sn. We need to find out Sn. A1 A, A2 B, AN C. AN C. And we need to find out Sn. How to do it? Anyone? Since we know A1, A2, we can find out D. Sorry, B minus A. D is B minus A. Now, AN is C. That means A plus N minus 1 into D is C. A plus N minus 1 into D is C. So A is A only. N minus 1 into D is B minus A is equal to C. Then N minus 1 times of B minus A is C minus A. Then N minus 1 is equal to C minus A by B minus A. Then N is equal to C minus A by B minus A plus 1. So after simplification, what we will get? C minus A plus B minus A by B minus A. So N value is B plus C minus 2A by B minus A. Okay, children. What is N value? B plus C minus 2A by B minus A. Okay, na? We have A, we have D, we have N. Can we find out Sn? Can we find out Sn, children? From AN, we got N from AN. So can we find out Sn now? బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో మీకు పేపర్ టఫ్గా ఇవ్వాలి అంటే ఇలాంటి అన్నోన్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తారు. దేంట్లో అయినా లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ టూ వేరియబుల్ అయినా, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అయినా, అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అయినా, ఆల్జీబ్రా టఫ్గా ఇవ్వాలి అంటే విల్ గివ్ లైక్ దిస్. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus no write 2a. We have a plus an, we have a plus an, we have a and we have an. Why cancel? This is minus a, na? Why it is cancelled? No. Plus 1, na? C minus a plus b minus a. B plus c minus 2a by b. Shall we see it properly? Now substitute the values. What is n? B plus c minus 2a by 2 into b minus a, n by 2. A plus an. An is c only. So the answer is b plus c minus 2a into a plus c by 2 times of b minus a. Sn answer. Sn is equal to b plus c minus 2a, b plus c minus 2a into a plus c by twice of b minus a. Okay na? Next question. Find the sum of all first n natural numbers. This is the question. Find the sum of all first n natural numbers. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this answer. Next question is find the sum of all first n natural numbers. Find the sum of all first n natural numbers. Many are absent today, Akanksha. Send the names list who are with us till end. చివరి వరకు ఉన్న వాళ్ళ పేర్లు కావాలి తెలియదు. చివరి వరకు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ పేర్లు కావాలి. First from the beginning till end. Abdeli not joined, I think. So many are there. Find the sum of all first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. We need to find out this. Sum of all first n natural numbers. Natural numbers start with n. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. We need to do that. Do it fast. N into n plus 1 by 2. Oh, Yashwant? Yashwant, can you explain? What is L? Let me see how you are giving the answer. Let me compare. Right. So A1, D1, N is N, Sn is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N by 2, 2 plus N minus 1. N by 2 into, this is N plus 1. So the answer is Sn is equal to N into N plus 1 by 2. Okay na? N into N plus 1 by 2. N square. No. Oh, you want to multiply that. N square plus N by 2. Correct, Sandy? Now, can anyone tell me what is the average of sum of first n natural numbers? What is the average of first n natural numbers? Average. What is the average of or mean of first n natural numbers? Can anyone say? Mean of first n natural numbers. Mean. Sn by n. Very good. What is Sn? Mean of first n natural numbers is Sn by n. What is Sn? What is Sn? N into n plus 1 by 2 by n. N get cancelled. N plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. N get cancelled. So the mean of first n natural numbers. The mean of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. Okay, na children? So, today's last question. Last question for today. One plus 4 plus 7 plus so on plus x is equal to 287. Can anyone find what is x? What is x, children? What is x? One plus 4 plus 7 plus so on plus x is 287. What is x? So we need to find out Sx. Sx is given 287. Sx means x by 2 into 2a plus x minus 1 into d is 287. So x by 2, 2a, that is 2 only. X minus 1, d is 3. So x by 2 into 2 plus 3x minus 3, 287. So x by 2 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 287. Send this 2 to that side. So here you will get 3x square minus x is equal to 287 into 2. You will get a quadratic equation. 3x square minus x is equal to 287 into 2. How much? $400, $560, $574, 287 into 2, 574. Yeah. Now what you will get? 3x square minus x minus 574 is 0. Quadratic equation, find x. Either apply quadratic formula or splitting the middle term. Your wish. Find x. N14, not N, x I think. It is x, not N. Anything? Yes, x 40, eh? Somebody told 14. 40 or 14? First multiply 3 into 574. 574 into 3. 12, 21, 22. 15, 16. 1622. Take LCM. 280. 1, 1. 10. 8 table. 3, 4, 12, 1, 2, 21, 22. 17. 17, 20. 2, 8, 16. 2, 6, 12, 1. 14, 3 table. 3, 2, 6. 8, 24, 2, 7. Only 8 table పోతుంది 7 table 7 4 28 fun okay na so 42 3x square minus 42x plus 41x minus 574 is equal to 0. You take 3x common, x minus 14, 41 common, x minus 14 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 41 into x minus 14 is equal to 0. X is negative 41 by 3 or 14. X is negative 41 by 3 or 14. So x means number of terms. Number of terms can't be in negatives. So x value 14 only. X value 14. 3 into 574. 1722. Take LCM. 3, 2, 3 are 6, 7 are 42. 42 minus 41, middle term negative 1 రావాలి. Middle term negative 1. So minus 42x plus 41x. So x is 14. Okay, na? So that's all for today. Arithmetic progression. Tomorrow we'll go ahead with applications of trigonometry. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataye namaha. You can leave. Thank you. Splitting the middle term రావాలి నాన్న, LCM తీయాలి. Splitting the middle term రావాలి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ఆకాంక్ష నాకు నేమ్స్ పంపించిన నా చివరి దాకా 21 ఉన్నారు, 21, 23. కైండ్లీ సెండ్ దోస్ నేమ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. బాయ్.